Meaning of inflationary.
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 Inflationary. The term inflationary refers to a situation in which there is a general increase in prices and decrease in the purchasing power of money. When an economy experiences inflation, the value of currency decreases over time, making goods and services more expensive. This results in higher costs for consumers and businesses, reduced savings, and diminished confidence in the economy. In extreme cases, inflation can lead to hyperinflation and economic instability. Governments and central banks often take measures to control inflation and maintain price stability, such as adjusting interest rates or implementing monetary policies.